I've just started my own investment business online. That's cool. Yeah, and guess what? Just the first 2 days I already gained 80% profit. Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, man, I don't need to go to work like those in the office anymore. I'm a businessman. I just sit at home all day and making $ at the same time. You see? Got another buyer. Boris back in the game. Yeah, I'm back in the game. I'm gonna buy like 2 yachts this month.
Dad, can I borrow your computer?
No. I need to use it.
Well, when will you buy me a new laptop?
Maybe this Christmas.
Christmas? Holy crap, that's like another 6 months. I can't wait that long. I'm tired of playing mobile games. I want a laptop now.
Well, that's your fault for breaking your own laptop doing those TikTok challenge.
I can't wait that long. I want a laptop now. I want a laptop right now.
Shut the up, you bald Stop whining or you're getting nothing.
Screw you. You arrogant, selfish
Well, you're not getting anything.
Rah! You
Man, I'll slap you back to England if you don't get lost. Yes! Man, I'm making mad cash.
Honey, let's go to the grocery store.
I'm busy.
No, you're not. Get your ass out of the computer.
Honey, I'm working.
That's not a real job. Your real job is to help me carry groceries, you unemployed. Now come on.
Kiss your little computer goodbye.
Wow, this is a very nice modern looking computer. My son's been wanting to have a computer like this.
Glad I can help. Hey, I'm wondering, are you selling that typewriter by any chance?
Yeah.
Let's see how you like it. You can't even watch on this thing.
Why the hell did you buy Velveeta cheese?
Authentic Philly cheesesteak uses Velveeta.
You know I don't like processed cheese. You can use the real cheese for Philly cheesesteak. I don't give a about no authentic.
That's it, I'm done arguing with you. Every single time when we go shopping we always fight.
Careful.
Yeah, why the you buy Velveeta? That's disgusting.
Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself. You guys are like wild animals.
You bald mother. Where's my computer?
What are you talking about?
Stop pretending, you little. You replaced my computer with that typewriter. Are you?
I sold it.
Oh my god, you know, I just started my own business. I worked my off very hard on opening my first online business and you screwed it up. I'm gonna kill you.
Well, you're being an arrogant.
Shut the up. Go back to wherever you sold my PC and bring it back.
Dude, you know I just helped someone's child by giving your PC away?
I don't care. Bring it back now or I'm gonna twist your arms.
Okay, don't hurt me. Hi, I need the PC back.
What's wrong?
It's a long story. I need the PC back. Here's your money and the typewriter.
My son is playing games.
Dude, you gotta help me. Please, I beg you. I'll give you 3 $2 Walmart coupons. They expire tomorrow. I just need my computer back.
Well, I'll go talk to him.
I'm terribly sorry.
Sorry, my ass. You ain't getting anything for Christmas. I'll send your whole life back to Stone Age. You're grounded.
Wah!